Alright, because I'm an idiot, I had to start the video again. Almost embarrassed to tell what I did. I was showing how easily this worked, and I tried to push these in the wrong direction. I put them in my holder incorrectly and loaded those wrong, and then wondered why the second 10 wouldn't feed. Well, I figured out why pretty quickly. It's because I had them in there backwards. Wow, amazing. Things are so easy, you still screw them up. Alright, a couple weeks back, maybe a month ago, I uploaded a video from ETS Tactical Group for a speed loader for 9mm and 40 cal. I liked it so well. You saw the video. Worked really well. Took it to work, showed a couple guys in person, and they decided they wanted one too, so they ordered theirs. I liked it well enough that I brought one for rifle. This one will do 7.62 by 39, also 223/5.56. It says I do 9mm as well. I have not tried that. I can't vouch for the 9mm. It does say that on the packaging. So I'm going to go that they know what they're talking about. In the end, you're going to see this, that there's two different, already uploaded or loaded a AK mag. 30 rounds, went in there quite well. I'm sure that sounded great on the camera. Went in there pretty well. You can see there's two different size grooves on this. Get there, right there. One for AK, and then one for your 5.56. It's towards the back, so you can pick up those rounds out of the little holders. My AK magazine, the reason I did it and loaded it before the video, I have a bunch of loose ammo in some cans, and just decided to string them on there and load them just to see how well it worked. It did work very well for the AK. Much easier than loading them by hand. Even 30 rounds slid in there like, well, insert your own analogy there. It slid in there very easily. So I'm going to demonstrate with the AR. Now, fortunately, this ammo that I've got is Wolf Polyformance. Anyway, my Bushmaster shoots about anything I feed it, so I'm lucky in that aspect. When you get these come in a little shell holder. Some of them do not. The ammo holder, the tray. I said shells. Some of them do not. They have the cardboard dividers in them, and when they do, that's fine. Just open your box, tear the flaps off the side here, tear those flaps down, and then that will allow you enough room just to take the tool and just push it through there, and you can just slide it through the top of the box and then pick those up. Prevent from having to take them out and put them in there by hand. If you're going to do that, you just want to load your magazine by hand. So I want to take this out and show you guys where this works, and girls, whoever's watching. Again, we'll put this in the correct direction this time. That's what I did last time. Just slid it into the wrong way. So you have to actually hold this one in there as you're loading them. If you do not, it's going to fall out. It doesn't slide in and lock like the one for the pistol rounds. Just kind of push it up in there, and then you'll see that it seats up against this top right here, just like so. So what we'll do, we'll bring it over here. Again, take your tray of ammunition, your bullets, as my wife calls everything in the world. Slide them on there. Pick up 10. I've got to go down to the other groove. Pick up 10 of them, like so. Alright, knock that one over. Pick up 10, and it's easier to go ahead and flip this over and kind of lay it this direction. And what you have to do then is take your little pusher piece, plunger, whatever you want to call it, slide over the top right here. As you push this down, and then just throw the ammo in. Now, it's easier to put the base of the magazine against your stomach or on a table or something of that nature, but to me, standing up, doing this, it's much easier. I'm trying to do it around my cheap camera, so I'm going to just hold it like this. Hopefully, this will go in there pretty well and show how easy it will load these. So I'm going to leave it like so and try this. So here we go. Alright, that worked very well. So there's 10 in there. Let's go ahead and grab our second batch of 10 here. Slide this on. Again, the little trays, I pick them right up. Flip it over. Again, I like pointing them straight up. Grab your other 10. And I just let it slide out of the magazine a little bit, because I didn't hold it in there. Again, that's why it's easier to do it against your stomach, so you can kind of hold them, have a little bit more of a base to do this with. Hold the magazine flush up against the loader. So I'm going to dump this one out, pull this one out of the way, and again, it was kind of a fail, but let me tell you, it does work well when you're not trying to do a video and you can stand up, hold it against your stomach. So I'm going to push this up here against it again and try this one more time. And then load this other 10. Matter of fact, let me just do this way, see if it'll work. Hold it against my stomach. Alright, so there's a 10 more in there. Let's go ahead and grab these other 10. A lot of people say that they could, well, it won't load steel cased ammo, or it won't load all 30 in my magazine, it won't do this or that. I've not had any problems with it other than, again, trying to talk and do something at the same time and not be able to pick up the rounds. But I've not had any issues with it. I've loaded quite a few AK mags. I've already loaded some AR mags, and it works great. Again, just slide it down with a where it stick, holding straight up like so, and then just pull down on it. Again, I'm going to hold it on my stomach. And there they go. So there's 30 rounds in that magazine that quick. It doesn't seem that quick because I'm talking and messing up, but you see how quick it can go. I mean, again, just grabbing 10, slide them up there, hold it up against your stomach, and pulling that plunger down. You can probably load one of these magazines in a tray like that. You can probably load one of these magazines 15 seconds. I mean, if you work at it, easily load it in 20, 30 seconds, I'm sure. Again, so good way, for you guys that like loading a bunch of them and leaving them sit. That works great. Even at the range, I mean, it doesn't take up a lot of room. Here's what you're dealing with, these two pieces here. Take them, put them in your range bag. When you get there, you want to run through a couple magazines and load them quick. There you go. Now I found out the faster you load them, the more you shoot them. So that's it. Now, for you people that like the Lula loaders, Mag Lula and those, I mean, that's fine. I have no problem with those. The argument I hear is that, well, the Lula has an unloader where you can unload the rounds. I have an unloader too. It's called my gun rifle, so that's how I unload mine. So anyway, there you have it. Again, it's ETS Tactical Group out of, I think they're in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So like I said, look them up, and you can also, it's www.etsgroup.us, not .com, it's .us. Put it right here, you can see it maybe a little bit. Look them up on the website. You can also buy them on eBay. I'm sure there's other places that sell them. I think $30, somewhere in that area with free shipping. Lifetime warranty on them, so work pretty well. I like them. Thanks for watching.